Okay, you gotta check this out. I found a nest, and there's some birds in there, and they're really hungry, and the mama's gone. Look, look, look. See them? Look in there. Aw, they're so cute, but they're hungry. I think they need a French fry. I'm gonna feed them. Here you go. Here you go. French fry. I don't think they want the French fry. Oh, maybe it's because I gotta do it with my mouth. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Watch, 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 watch. Here, little birdie. Here, birdie, birdie. Oh, you don't want the fry, huh? You don't. I tried. I don't know. Better look next time.
I wonder how many human rights experts we'd have called on us if we gave a chick.